This is a kid's yard tool playset, and the first thing I noticed is how much comes in the box. There are multiple pieces, tools, and even a belt and gloves. She actually wanted to put this together herself, and I was surprised how easy it was. Everything snaps and twists together, no tools needed, and she didn't need much help at all. One of her favorite parts is that you can switch between the mower style head and the blower. She thought it was so cool and immediately had to try both. And yes, it makes sounds and lights up. The spinning blade even glows, which instantly turned this into an indoor yard work game. She's been walking around the house pretending she's doing yard work, blowing imaginary leaves, and taking this job very seriously. I really like that the handle is adjustable because it actually works for bigger kids too. She's 8 years old and it fits her comfortably and it's easy for her to hold. It also comes with gloves and a tool belt with real gardening tools, so it's not just pretend play. It actually encourages hands-on learning and helping. Everything is lightweight, nothing sharp, and it feels really safe, which makes me comfortable letting her play with it. She keeps saying she can't wait to use this outside in the spring and summer.